Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Enable screen recording and grant mic permission so audio can be captured. Open the video in the player or browser tab you plan to share, and open the meeting or presentation app simultaneously. Once both are visible, click Share Screen, then pick the specific window or browser tab that shows the video. This avoids sharing your whole desktop. Doing this first reduces audio sync problems and keeps chat or private items out of view. Next, focus on quality. Make sure you tick the option to share system audio so participants hear the video, and choose the browser tab over the entire screen if available, since tabs often allow higher bitrate. Adjust the video to the desired resolution and close background apps to free CPU and network resources. Once done, play a short 3-5-second clip to test audio/video sync with a colleague, and lower resolution if you notice buffering. This prevents stuttering during the full presentation. To finish, stop sharing the window and close the video so your system frees memory and network. If audio drops or is silent, first confirm the meeting app has microphone and screen audio permissions and that exclusive audio modes in the OS are off. Then reselect the source. If participants still experience lag, switch to a lower resolution or provide a direct link and play locally while you narrate. This trade-off keeps the meeting smooth and preserves clarity for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.